An interesting tutorial about X account, and in this video I will show you on how to activate two-factor authentication to secure your X account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your X app. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on settings and support. Then go ahead and click on settings and privacy. And go ahead and click on security and account access. Then go ahead and click on security, manage your account security. Then go ahead and click on two-factor authentication. Then you have different three options by which you can use to enable your two-factor authentication on your X account. The first option here is text message. The second option here is authentication app. The third one here is security key. So you can use any of the options right here to enable two-factor authentication for your X account. And in this tutorial, I'm going to make use of authentication app. So for that, go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. Then you have to enter your login password. Then click on confirm. Protect your account in just 2 steps. Step 1. Link an authentication app to your X account. Use a compatible authentication app like Google Authenticator, Authy, Grow Mobile, One Password. We will generate a QR code for you to scan. Then step 2. Enter the confirmation code. Two-factor authentication will then be turned on for authentication app, which you can turn off at any point in time. Now, what we want to do here is to go ahead and get our Authenticator app. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use Google Authenticator. So for that, we go to access from here now. Then we have to make sure we head over to our Play Store. Open up your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, go ahead and click on search right here. Then come to the search app and game and type in Google Authenticator. Hit on search. In a few seconds, it's take you right here. Go ahead and click on Google Authenticator. Now you are here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on install. After a successful installation, go ahead and hit on open. Here you go. Next thing you want to do is to click on get started. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on continue with your Google account. After a successful install Google Authenticator, next thing we want to do is to exit from here now. Then we have to make sure we go back to our X account right here. Getting back to X account, we go ahead and click on get started right here. There we go. Next thing you want to do, link the app to your X account. If you have a compatible authenticator app installed on the device, link the app to your X account. Go ahead and click on link app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on yes. Now you have your X account successfully linked into your Google Authenticator app. Next thing we want to do is to go back to our X account. I'm going to exit from my Google Authenticator app. So it's that simple. So now you have enabled two-factor authentication for your X account with Google Authenticator app. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.